Nollywood actress Toyin Abraham is singing praises of her husband, Kolawole Ajayemi, taking to her Instagram page to celebrate her man on International Men's Day. Toyin shared a pregnant clip of herself and her husband. In 2022, it was speculated that they were having an in-house crisis arising from Toyin's attitude towards certain issues that revolve around her attitude. Also during the general election, Kolawole Adeyemi had publicly distanced himself from supporting a preferred presidential candidate. He aired his view about his wife's preferred candidate, stating he was not a party of her choice. In another interview, Toyin confirmed that it was indeed pregnant in 2022, but she lost the pregnancy. She revealed that she cried following the loss as she wanted to have one or two kids and be done. She also spoke about she was body shamed after getting bloated from the loss. Thank you for joining us at Tite TV. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment down below with your thoughts and share with your friends.